Welcome dear student. Today we shall begin to the second lesson, that is health and diseases. We all might have suffered some disease or the other diseases in our life at some point. In this lesson we shall learn more about diseases. Let us begin. Health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-beingness and not merely the absence of any disease. आरोग्य. रोगाचा नुसता अभाव म्हणजे आरोग्य नव्हे, तर शारीरिक, मानसिक आणि सामाजिकरित्या पूर्णतः सुदृढ असण्याची स्थिती म्हणजे आरोग्य होय. What is diseases? Condition of disturbance in physiological or psychological process in the body is called diseases. रोग म्हणजे काय? शरीर क्रियात्मक किंवा मानसशास्त्रीयरित्या शरीरातील महत्त्वाच्या जैविक कार्यांमध्ये अडथळा आणणारी स्थिती म्हणजे रोग होय. Physiological process means the branch of biology that deals with normal functioning of living organism and their parts, while psychological process means it is the scientific study of human mind. Each disease has its own specific symptoms. प्रत्येक रोगाची विशिष्ट लक्षणे असतात. टाइप्स ऑफ डिसीजेस. डायबिटीज, कॉमन फ्लू, अस्थमा, डाउन syndrome. Down syndrome means it is the disorder causing developmental and intellectual delay. Reason and symptoms of all these diseases are different. To bring coordination in scientific study of diseases, diseases are classified as follows. Types of diseases. Types of diseases according to duration and according to reason. First we will see according to duration. First, chronic disease. Second, acute disease. First, chronic disease means long duration. Example, cancer. Second, acute disease means short time. Common cold. According to reason, first, hereditary diseases. Particular characteristics transfer from parents to offspring. Few people suffer that particular disease. Example, Down syndrome. Acquired disease, which we acquire at some particular point in our life. We do not get disease as we are born. Get at some particular time in the life. Infectious diseases. Example, common cold, flu, dengue. Non-infectious diseases, example, diabetes, heart diseases. Infectious diseases Diseases spread through contaminated air, water, food, or vector, like insect and other animals, are called as infectious diseases. Contaminated means dirty. We can say dirty water, dirty air, dirty food. Now, here we have a table. Name of disease, pathogen means virus or bacteria that causes diseases. Mode of infection, symptoms, prevention and treatment. First, tuberculosis. Pathogen, Microbacterium tuberculin. Mode of infection, spitting by patient through air, prolonged contact with and sharing of material of a patient. Symptoms, chronic cough, bloody spitting, emaciation means very thin, difficult breathing. Treatment, BCG vaccine, isolation of patient, regular medication like DOT. DOT means direct observation treatment. Hepatitis means jaundice. Hepatitis virus A, B, C, D are pathogen. Mode of infection, contaminated water, sharing of needles, blood transfusion. Transfusion means transmission of blood. Symptoms, anorexia, yellow urine, general weakness, nausea, vomiting, grey stool. Prevention and treatment, drinking boiled water, proper cleaning of hands. Dysentery, bacteria, virus, Shigella, Bacillus, Entamoeba, Histolytica are the pathogens. Mode of infection, contaminated food and water. Symptoms, watery stool, pain in abdomen. Prevention and treatment, drinking of boiled water, proper storage of food, ORS consumption. ORS means oral rehydration salt. It is liquid in state to prevent the dysentery. Cholera, Vibrio cholerae is a pathogen. Mode of infection, contaminated food and water, vomiting, severe diarrhea, cramps in legs. Following the hygienic practices, avoiding open place food, drinking boiled water, vaccination against the cholera. These are the prevention and treatment of cholera. Typhoid, pathogen Salmonella typhi. Mode of infection, contaminated food and water. Symptoms, anorexia, headache, rash on abdomen, dysentery, fever up to 104 degree Fahrenheit. Prevention and treatment, drinking clean water, vaccination, proper disposal of sewage. Infection through sputum. Whenever we talk, sneeze, cough, few drops of our spit of saliva mixes with air. Later, it settles on the ground within few seconds. So, if this person suffering from any infectious disease, so that happens, is a healthy person who comes in contact with this sputum, he or she can also suffer from the infectious diseases. Example, TB, COVID-19. Thank you.